Alright, y'all, the big day is here. We're saying goodbye to Mexico City after living here for 1 year. We're kicking off a new chapter in Italy. We'll be heading to Tuscany for 3 months, and the kids are so excited to start school out there. Big international trips are never easy, especially when we decided to be chaotic and bring everything that we own over from Mexico straight to Italy. So let's just rewind and just talk through what our travel journey looked like to get here, because it was hectic.
Okay, today is the day. Well, tonight is the night. It's almost 11 o'clock. We have everything packed up. Everything's put together. There's one more load of laundry that I'm waiting for, the clothes that we wore today and yesterday. But after that, we're all good to go. The things are lined up. The kids are currently sleeping, so we're gonna have to wake them up and get them in the car to head to the airport. But it has finally come. We're headed to Italy. We got into Mexico City originally at the end of last year, so it's been a year. And we went to Guatemala, we went to Belize, we went to London, we did all those things, but we always came back to Mexico City. And then we signed our lease, I think in February, March. So it's really been a full year that we've been here, that they've been in the same school, it's been the same neighborhood. And I don't know, I'm interested to see how they adjust, because that's a question we get all the time. People are like, how do the kids adjust to this moving? How do they feel about it? Did they like it? All of this sort of stuff. And, they're so little and they're so used to moving that it's not that I struggle to answer that, but it's kind of it's all they know. It's what we do. They get on board with it, they adapt, and they do. And they're such champs about it, and they're so excited to go to Italy. But I'm excited to see how much awareness they'll actually have around this move and how they'll adjust and acclimate to this specifically. So we'll see.
Stop fighting!
We are not in Rome. We were at the airport on time for our flight, but I don't know if it's because it was New Year's Eve or if it's because it was cut close to when they stop accepting bags, but no one was at the counter to take our bags. We went up to the office of the airline that's at the airport, and no one was there. No one answered the door. No one responded when we knocked. So we came back to our apartment and went to sleep. So we're supposed to be landing in Rome right now, but I don't know. Hopefully they can get us. There's another flight this evening, I think at 11:30. So hopefully they can just put us on that one. But yeah, I don't know why no one was at the counter. Hopefully the next check-in will be from Rome. Maybe from Paris, because that's where we're supposed to have a layover. I don't know.
So while we are waiting to go back to the airport, we decided to head over to Sears and see if we can get one extra large suitcase, because right now we have everything packed into 3 large suitcases. They're all going to be overweight. So instead of paying those overweight fees, let's just go find another suitcase, bring that back, and then reorganize our stuff. We have not confirmed with the airline if they're going to get us on the next flight. Pretty much we were told to just show up and be put on standby. So our fingers are crossed, and we have to wait another 8 hours or so. So we have some time to kill before heading back over to the airport and saying a prayer to get us on that flight to Rome.
En español?
I don't know.
Dinosaurio.
Dinosaurio.
Yes. And we're at the park, so the kids are hanging out. At this point, it's basically just counting down the clock and biding our time to see if we'll be able to make it on the flight this evening. And if not,
Our backup plan.
ooh.
So now we're heading back to the airport. We have all of our stuff. We are prepared, and we're 3 hours early. So our main job is to talk to the folks at the ticket counter and see if they can let us on this next flight, even if it's for a standby. We just have to get to Rome, y'all. Our Airbnb is already booked, and right now we're losing money. So we got on the flight, no problem at all. As soon as we got to the counter, the dude there said that he could book us on the next flight, but we would have to pay since our ticket was non-refundable and we missed the first flight. And everything in Mexico is negotiable, even an Air France plane ticket. He told me it would be $1,000 to get on the next flight. I came back and I said, I'll give you $700, and he said, okay. There was no back and forth at all, so I definitely straight up started at $200. But you live and you learn. We made it on the flight, and now we are in Rome.
Now it's back to my thing.
I want to ask you some questions. So, how have you how have you enjoyed our travel day?
Great.
Great. You had a good time. And are you gonna miss Mexico City?
Yes.
Yes. What are you gonna miss most about it?
I'm gonna miss most my friends, but not the bullies.
There were bullies? Who was bullying you? A curly-headed kid? We're gonna go back. We're gonna find him.
He's older.
Older?
He has red.
Why didn't you tell me? I would have done something. I would have had a word with his mother.
Don't know. How do you even know yet?
Oh, you're right. All family structures are different. I would have had a word with his presenting female guardian. Anyway, what are you excited for now that we're in Rome?
I'm excited to get the world's best pizza.
Pizza? Me too.
Yes.
We'll check back in with pizza. Does it look like it's going to be comfy?
Good communication.
Yeah, thank you for communicating clearly.
Please don't talk to me while I'm talking to you. Oh.
All right, come in, get comfortable, check it out. Ah, a nice bed. There's a mirror. Local view. Local view.
This is perfect.
You think so? Oh, why are there earplugs? They consider a host, but that's earplugs. There are earplugs in there. Let's see. That's toilet rest. What's this room?
I'm hungry.
You're hungry? Let's go find us some late night pizza then. In here?
Yeah, so this is like a little bed.
Wow,
It's all the ceiling.
this living
I know, the
room
ceilings are
is
so high.
nice. This living room is
Because
so
you're
nice.
what are these, 12, 13-foot ceilings?
Like 15.
15? No.
Like, look at
No.
my wingspan.
That's impossible.
At least 12.
Yeah, I think they're 12, maybe 13. Anything over that is getting it's a little crazy. All right. And
Yeah,
there's
so
a kitchen.
we're staying here for a few days, kids, and then we go to camp. The target.
Oh yeah, they probably do have them in there. Well, this looks like knickknacks and stuff, but yeah, we should. And we missed the restaurants being open, but we got our hands on some authentic Italian pizza. Zay, tell everyone how it is. First slice of Italian pizza.
It's great.
It's great. Here you go, Whitley. You can just take it.
So we all slept very well. The Airbnb is so nice. We are staying right next to Vatican City, so it's a super walkable area, and it's actually pretty quiet at night. So today we're just getting breakfast, and then we're gonna find some tickets to get on a hop-on, hop-off bus tour so that we could see all of the monuments to see in Rome.
I wound up getting the 72-hour pass just because I feel like it makes more sense. Today's Friday. We leave here Monday or Tuesday?
Tuesday.
Tuesday? We leave here Tuesday. So having them Friday to Saturday, Saturday to Sunday, Sunday to like Monday, I think is just easier, especially just getting around and not having to rely on like Ubers or taxis or anything like that. So first order of business is to check out this cute little spot over here. It's a pizzeria and restaurant, so I don't know. We're just here to eat. Honestly, that's part of the thing. I want to know, is the hype around Italian food real? Is it authentic? Is it necessary? Is it overhyped? I don't know. I want to eat as much as I can and then draw my conclusions from there. Just a modicum of decorum. Zay, look at all the pizzas.
Oh, wow. I want to know it.
Hey, look.
Daddy?
Yeah, a lot of people use a knife and fork for their container.
This is really good.
So Rome really is surprising us. Everywhere that we're going on the Hop on Hop Buff bus tour has been super clean and the architecture is beautiful. I mean, out of all the European cities we've been to, Paris, Madrid, parts of Portugal, like the streets and the architecture is just really well preserved and very clean for a major city.
Fortunately, Zay and I are jet lag proof. Jet lag proof.
So I get my own system.
But we're jet lag proof, right, Zay? We don't get jet lag. We're better than that. We operate off decorum and we rebuke jet lag.
Mommy?
Yeah.
Stop there. Gracias.
Grazie. And then one more with 2 lemons. Please. Lemon? Yes. How is it?
Huh?
Good. It tucks back here
Like,
like 3
come on,
times
we're going
better
to
than
the
like
sun.
the ones on the main strip.
Wait, is that's so many people hanging this way.
Zay, I love your disposition. Yeah, we'll have to get you some crafting stuff.
Yeah, so we just draw one.
Look at the Colosseum over here.
Is it over?
No, this way. Move this so it's not in your way. It's cool, right?
Failing.
So that's it. We made it to Italy. We'll be shaking off our jet lag, hanging out here in Rome for another 2 days.